Hello, this is Andrew with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be talking about the Windows 10 upgrade. This is a machine that was at Windows 8, and I upgraded it to Windows 10. One of the nice things you're going to notice with Windows 10 is that you no longer have to click the button up here to go back to find the other users. They actually put the other users down here now, so all you have to do is click on these to switch users. Before you start the upgrade, there is an option when you reserve it that it lets you check your system, and it will tell you if there's anything on there that you need to take care of. Like one of my machines had a software package that wasn't supported, so I had to uninstall that first. Sometimes your hardware may not be supported. It will tell you that, and it's a really good idea to upgrade that hardware, especially if it's a wireless card or a keyboard, something like that, before you do the upgrade. Also, if your machine is not running optimally, if it's slow, if it's sluggish, if you're having pop-ups, you need to get rid of those viruses before you do the update. Or you could get stuck in a reboot where it's constantly rebooting and rebooting and rebooting because the virus will prevent the update from completing. If you think it may have a virus, you can bring it into us, or you can download the Viper Rescue Scanner from Viper. And that will actually take a long time because it scans every single file on your computer. Now, you can upgrade from Windows 8 or from Windows 7. You can upgrade from a 32 or a 64-bit operating system. The best way to do it is still by doing the reservation when you see the little flag show up down there by your clock, because that will also give you the option to check your system to make sure everything is okay. There are other ways to do it. If you wanted to get it done quicker and not have to wait, you can definitely bring it into us and we can help you out with that. And if you are more comfortable having a professional help you with the upgrade, you can definitely bring it in. We will check for viruses for you. We will check your compatibility of your hardware, and then we will go ahead and do the upgrade for you for approximately $70. Now, one of the things you're going to notice with Windows 10 once you do the upgrade is that you will have a new type of start menu. Whether you're using 7 or 8, this is different now, where you can actually left click on this, and this will give you some of the tiles, and you can change this around and put the tiles you use most over there. They also have File Explorer. If you click here on File Explorer, it will just open up the File Explorer window like you went to My Computer and opened it. If you move over here to where the little arrow is, and you click there, it will actually show you desktop, documents, downloads, pictures, things that you use often show up down here at the bottom. And if you go up here to Start Menu, this is actually where all of your installed programs are going to show up, which makes it a lot easier now to get to like your Microsoft Office programs instead of having to go in and hunt for them. So it's a much better operating system than Windows 8. I found that the memory management in this also is much better. The only real issue I've had with the upgrades was I had one client who was using wireless. After the upgrade, he lost his internet, but by unplugging the USB wireless, plug it into a different USB port, it reinstalled the drivers. Once you do the upgrade, I would say let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes, and then you will start getting your little pop-ups of things that need to be updated. Like on ours, Viper needed to be updated to the newest version. There was a Office update that needed to be done, and of course once that was done, I ran Windows Update, and there were a couple of drivers and things that needed to be done there. Be careful with upgrading drivers. You want to make sure that if you're updating your drivers through Microsoft, that it is the actual driver for your machine. If you're not sure, bring it in. We'll take a look at it for you. Hello again, this is Andrew with Impress Computers, and this was actually a machine that was running Windows 7 Pro, and we upgraded this one to Windows 10, and it took a little bit longer than upgrading from Windows 8 because Windows 8 is much closer to Windows 10, so there wasn't as much to upgrade. The only real issue I had with this one was that this one is running an NVIDIA video card for the dual monitor system. And once I did the upgrade, the display looked really bad. But I found that by going to NVIDIA and downloading the newest driver, that took care of it immediately. So whether you're using an ATI or an NVIDIA card, you want to make sure that after you do your update that you run the update program from your card's manufacturer to make sure that you have the newest video drivers. Thank you.